first dampener that we're going to show you is the adjustable model. The adjustable model is used on the air-operated double diaphragm pumps generally, and are used in applications where the pump discharge is going to always be the same. You're just transferring from point A to point B. The way that we do that is allows us, with the adjustable model, to regulate the pressure to be one specific pressure all the time, and will always be set up properly every time you start your system. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply an air line. Now we've set this one up with, the regulator is set up with an air chuck, a quick connect, so that we can quickly add the pressure into the top of the unit. Now keep in mind that the adjustable models always require a constant air source. That's the way they're going to be able to work. When you're setting the pressure for the pulsation dampener on the adjustable model, what you're going to do is you're going to charge it to 80 to 85% of whatever your discharge pressure is, and then as the pump starts, the system pressure will increase and compress the air molecules inside the top of the pulsation dampener, and you will then see the system pressure on the gauge. You can then adjust it to get yourself the best dampening effect from the pulsation dampener at the discharge of your pump. Now let's say you're running at 100 psi. At 100 psi, you would charge it to 80 to 85 psi. You can do that just by applying the pressure, and you'll notice that the gauge will be increasing. And then at this point, as the pump starts, if it's not registering on your gauge, you might see a little pulse. Every time the pump discharges, you might see a little pulse on the gauge. If you see that, then you can dial it down a little bit and to get the best dampening effect. And you'll notice it in your downstream gauge, if you have one installed, or the discharge piping will also indicate that there's the pulsation is being minimized. So then you just get it to dial in right where you need it and leave it be. Make sure that you never disconnect the air. As long as the pump is running, you have an air line that's going to it. The pulsation dampeners are all equipped with the correct equipment. So please do not remove any of the items that are included with your pulsation dampener when installing them. The one-way check valve is important to the operation of the regulator, so please keep that in place when you're operating your system.